Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to send video as document in WhatsApp. So if you have a video file on your gallery and now you want to share the video without losing the video quality, here's how to do it. First of all, go to your WhatsApp and go to the chat or conversation where you want to send the video. Once you are in the chat, tap on this paperclip icon and tap on document, and now tap on choose from gallery and you will directly jump into your gallery. Now all you have to need from your gallery, select the video that you want to send as document. So here's I'm selecting my video. It may take some time to load the video. Okay, now just tap on send, and here as you can see the video is sending and this is a document video. So that's how if you send any video to someone on WhatsApp, the video quality won't be lost. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.